Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's Tech here, back again for another brand new video. Yup, I know it's been a while, but I'll explain myself right now. But in today's video, we're going to be doing a 1 year later video on the Logitech G332 headsets. So for those of you that watch my unboxing video, my review video, as well as my comparison videos with pretty much all my other gaming headsets, I'll drop all those videos in the link down below in the description so you guys can check them out for yourselves, because then you guys really won't understand what's going on in today's video. Now you're probably thinking, why would you do a 1 year later video on a headset that you haven't even done a video on in months? Well, as you know, I like to do this series where I like to, bring back the tech that I unboxed about a year, 6 months later. As you know, I do a 6 month later videos as well as a 1 year later video. Pretty much after all my tech starts to get older, I start to do like a 1 year to 6 month later update to kind of let you know how these things have held up over time. So yeah, for those of you that aren't familiar with this kind of series, that's pretty much what it's about. Now I am sorry that I did not upload last week, and I'm going to be uploading this video pretty late too. You guys are going to be watching this on a Thursday. I'm recording this on a Wednesday. So yeah, just to let you guys know. And guys, I already have four videos recorded for you guys. I'm sorry for the lack of uploads last week. I just don't know. I don't know, I haven't been feeling motivated to upload, and I'm sorry. I gotta get off my lazy butt and start uploading for you guys. But like I said, I already recorded 4 videos, so there's gonna be 4 upcoming videos after this one. So yeah, this is gonna be 5, counting this video that you're watching right now. So yeah, 5 videos that I have recorded for you guys, and those videos are all gonna be coming out this week and next week, so stay tuned. So yeah, subscribe down below. Also, follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see more updates on the channel, and also you guys want to see early access to whenever I upload my videos. So yeah, with no further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so like I said, if you guys watched all those videos, the review videos, the unboxing videos, you guys know I'm pretty positive about these headsets. Now, obviously I like to do these updates to kind of let you know how they've been holding up. And so far, like I said, they've been great. And for all those of you that are brand new, like I said, this video is pretty much to talk about my experience with the headset and with any product, and basically tell you whether it's still worth purchasing. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is build quality overall. How has it held up over the 1 year? Now I gotta say guys, if you guys did watch all my review videos and comparison videos, you guys do know that one of my biggest gripes with these headsets is the build quality. Not that it's bad, but one particular thing that just makes these things kind of not even worth purchasing. Let me show you. Do you guys hear all that creaking? Do you guys hear that? So pretty much every time you twist the headsets in any direction, these things creak like mad. Like literally right when I put these on, guys, like you move them a little bit and they're creaking like mad, guys. And that's one thing that annoys me. Now, this does kind of fit in the category of build quality, just because, it's part of the build quality. Now, like I said, I mentioned this before. Not sure if just it's my particular headset. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys own these headset and have the same problem. But yeah, that's definitely got to be my first complaint. Overall, the build quality is not too solid. Next thing is the sound quality of the headsets. How has the mic held up over the 1 year? Obviously, people that own these kinds of headsets, they abuse them, stuff like that. Because usually these kinds of headsets are their daily drivers. So they'll use these every day. And in my case, I don't use these very often. In fact, if you guys know, you OG subscribers know, that I use the Fusion gaming headset, the Power A's. Those are about 2-year-old headsets. If you guys want more information on those headsets, check out my channel and see all those unboxing videos, because those are way cheaper than these. That's one thing I'll tell you. But yeah, back to the mic quality on this. Like I said, since I don't use these very often, the sound quality and the sound and the mic itself has been intact pretty much. Now, one thing that I did notice, like I said, now this isn't really about, the mic quality itself, how it sounds and stuff like that. It's more of kind of the muting feature. So as you know, a lot of headsets have either a button on the actual wire or a button in the back and stuff like that. And one thing that this thing is just missing and has kind of annoyed me over the time that I've owned it is that I forget this thing has no physical mute switch. Now a lot of headsets, usually when they don't have a button, usually all you have to do is just flick the mic itself up and it goes into its muting position. But that's what I thought. You guys would think that that's how this thing, would go. But guess what? This thing does not do that. So you would think every time you would flick it up, oh, it goes into mute. Nope, it does not. If you guys check on the box, the website, and even try it out for yourself, this thing will not mute. And sometimes I would forget when I'm in a game, I kind of want to mute, don't want to talk to my friends for a little bit, want to go to the bathroom or something, stuff like that. And I just want to mute it real quick. I can't. I have to go into the menu and then click mute on my Xbox. Yeah, it's annoying. So that is why I pretty much do not use these as my daily driver. Overall, the mic quality itself has held up, but yeah, that one annoying feature has definitely annoyed me. Now, these have gone down in price is something that I did notice. I did buy these for 40 bucks. I believe I did buy them at Best Buy. I don't even remember at this point, but I think it was at Best Buy. I bought them for 40 bucks, which is a steal. But nowadays, you can even get this thing for less than 30 bucks, which is insane how far the price has gone down on these headsets. Yeah, and overall, the wear and tear, it's been great, no tears in the actual ear cup, you know what I mean? Like I said, since I don't really use these, I don't really expect all that. But yeah, overall, guys, that's pretty much my experience with these headsets, guys. Not really much to complain about other than the mic and that build quality creaking noise, which just kind of annoys me out of this world. But now let's get on to the good things about this headset. Now, one thing that has been great over that 1 year is the extremely long cord. Now this is really helpful just because let's say you want to, not game extremely close in front of your monitor. You don't want to be like this, you want to be a little farther from your desk and stuff like that. And you don't want to bring out the cable a little longer. And yeah, this thing has got you covered. This thing has got to be like at least 10 feet, guys. This thing is extremely long and very convenient when you're in gaming sessions, and you don't want to get too close to the TV, especially if you have this thing plugged in to your PC. You want to scoot back a little farther. This thing has got you covered with this cable. So yeah, one positive thing about this thing over that 1 year that I've owned it is this extremely long cable. Another positive thing that I liked, like I said, I've mentioned this, not going to go over it too much just because that's for the review video. You guys already saw that. And yeah, that is the sound quality. These things have held up extremely good. The sound quality obviously is not going to change, but like I said, I haven't had any complaints with the sound quality on these things, and that's definitely got to be one of its features, one of its good features, especially for the price point. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Like I said, just a quick little video explaining, the pros and cons, the features over the 1 year. How has this thing held up over that 1 year? And gotta say, overall, guys, I would still purchase this thing even in 2020, late 2020, I guess you can say, kind of, because we are in late July at this point. And yeah, guys, this thing I would still definitely recommend. Now, as you can see here, the price here on Amazon, I don't know the price, so I'll just pop it up here, but I'm pretty sure it's less than 40 bucks at this point. So if I were you, I would cop this thing as fast as I can, just because these things sell pretty quick, just because they're so cheap and they're pretty good. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I haven't been uploading the past week. I know it's just all excuses, guys. I'll be honest, I was not motivated to upload. I was kind of lazy on my butt. That is the reason why, I'm gonna be straight up, guys, that is the reason why I did not upload last week. And also, I've been trying to come up with some ideas. Like I said, as you know, I did drop that F-150 video last video, and I was trying to see the kind of feedback that I would get from you guys from that video. And I gotta say, overall, that video did pretty well, guys. I did get some good feedback from you guys, letting me know that you guys want to see more of those kinds of videos. And yeah, guys, let me know also in the comments down below. Do you guys want to see more car content on the channel like that last video? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, let me know if you guys want to see a video on the OnePlus Nord that just got announced, guys. That thing is sick, I gotta say. A true budget phone. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see that video as well. And also, another brand new phone that just got released, the Asus ROG Phone 3, also just got announced and revealed. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see a video on that as well. But yeah, guys, pretty much wraps up today's video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.